In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix links not opening in Google Chrome. If links are not opening properly in Chrome, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can check, and in many cases the problem can be fixed in just a few minutes. We'll go through the process step by step so you can follow along easily. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Before changing any browser settings, the first thing you should do is make sure your internet connection is working properly. If your connection is unstable or disconnected, links may fail to open, even though Chrome itself is fine. Try loading a familiar website or checking whether other online apps are working. If the internet is not working, fix that first and then test your links again. If your internet seems fine, the next thing to try is closing unnecessary tabs. Having too many tabs open at once can sometimes cause Chrome to slow down or behave unexpectedly. Close tabs you're not using, then try opening the link again. You can also restart your computer. A restart helps clear temporary glitches and refreshes background processes that may be interfering with Chrome. If the issue is still happening, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots. From there, open the Extensions section. Take a careful look at the extensions installed in your browser and remove any that you no longer use. Some extensions can interfere with how websites load or how links behave, especially if they are outdated, unnecessary, or conflicting with other tools in the browser. After removing unused extensions, test your link again to see if the issue is resolved. If links still won't open, go back to the three dots menu and click Settings. In Settings, find Privacy and Security. Then click the option to delete browsing data. This step helps clear cached files and other stored browser data that may be causing pages or links to stop working correctly. Choose the Delete Data option and let Chrome finish the process completely. Once that's done, try opening your link again. In many cases, clearing browsing data removes corrupted or outdated files that were preventing Chrome from responding normally. If you followed each step carefully, your links should now be opening properly in Google Chrome. Be sure to test with more than one link so you can confirm the issue is fully fixed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome working normally again.